Hello and welcome to Case Technologies. I have a great video for you here today. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of 3 items that I just got to go with my camera so that I can bring better videos to the channel and do different exciting things. Shout out to Jack, the winner of the Mac Mini giveaway. Thanks for participating. And if you weren't a winner, we will have other opportunities. So stay tuned for that, all right? I plan on giving out more Mac Minis, more surprising gifts, so just stick around. All right, so this little product right here is a Neewer dummy battery, so I can put this in my Sony FX3. I have to get the shrink wrapping off of it. And boy, is it secure. I'm kind of like that. We'll put this to the side so the desk isn't too messy. And we'll open it up, tearing up the box. But there you have it right there. That's how it's packaged up right here. And basically, for all you who are not familiar with cameras or a dummy battery, what this will do is I go ahead, stick that in there. I can put it to a battery expansion with this plug right here, or a Dtap is what they call it as well, they refer to it as. And it'll allow me to use my cameras for hours on end. I can go outside with it then, and I don't have to worry about the tiny battery, because as you see, the battery is this size. But when I get down to this V mount right here, you can see it's huge in comparison, right? All right, so that's it. The first one is a Neewer Dtap battery for the FX3. I'm excited about this. Longer view times, longer shows. I can do all kinds of things. I can be anywhere I want. Just crack open the FX3, start recording, right? All right, this one right here is my lightweight L-shaped bracket mount that I'm going to be adding to my build. And again, it's Neewer. All right, see what we have here. And it's simple. It's just in a little bit of bubble wrap right here, so you can see that. All right, cool. It's already fully ready to go. It looks like it's fully assembled. All you gotta do is loosen it up. And again, if you're not really a crazy camera person or anything like that, what this little thing will do, if I can get it open here, is it'll sit underneath the camera rig like so, and then I can mount my battery onto the back here. Boom. That's it. And it's a V mount, hence V right there. You see that V cut? And I put on the back of my camera, put the battery here, plug the camera in, and go. Right, I have 256 gigabyte Type A SD cards. So CF Express Type A, for those who are not familiar. So I have 512 gigs. That's a couple hours of recording. Now I can put the battery on here and just go and be free, right? Cordless. All right, I'm gonna need something else sharp. Boom. I have a flathead screwdriver right here, and this bracket is useful. And this is the V-mount battery by K&F Concepts. K&F Concepts, sorry, K&F. And I got this for a pretty good deal, I feel. I think it was like 70 or 80 bucks. And I have all the model descriptions below. No, I am not sponsored by anyone. This is my own doing. That's stuff I had to get. And I said, why not share it with the channel and add this to the unboxing playlist. This right here. Oh, before I take everything out, there you go. You're seeing it just as quickly as I'm seeing it. All right, not in real time though, but you're seeing it with me. A little book right here. Okay, let's put that to the side. And then we have the V mount. And this has this cool green and orange combination to it. I like that when I saw it, so I said, yeah, give me that one. And then I have a big digital number up here where you can see the storage life. Let me turn the power on. Let me see. Yeah, see? It's a big digital number right there so that you can see. And then, oh, I'm sorry. Let me do it again. There you go. And then I can just go ahead. It has the correct connection. It plugs right on in like so. This piece will go into the actual FX3, and then this into here, and then I'm ready to go. Now we're cooking with gas, people. All right. So these are the three right here. So I would quick release here, plug it in, and I think this was relatively cheap. This is less than $100 too. For the build quality of it, I put it on here right here. I hold my camera like so, and I can move around and do what I need to do, right? And give you guys shots from any and everywhere. And we do have other channels for our family. And we do a car channel as well. So my father and I, and just random fixes around the house. So this would be very useful everywhere. All right. So if you have any questions, put them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Look out for our next giveaway. I appreciate you all coming in here to this channel and tuning in to what we have to provide. I will be doing more workouts coming up in the next few days and months. So stay here in 2026. Like I said, we're going to be one of the biggest YouTube channels out there. All right. Bye.